Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. So you will have to just open the YouTube app on the Android device or iOS. This solution is makes for both. So you will have to go to the settings of the YouTube and there is manage of history. So you have to click to the manage of history from the settings. So it will be loading. So when it's done, and you will see there is the option in the second one is controls. So you have to click to the controls. So you will see the right over there is the YouTube history. So now it's turned on, so you will have to turn off. So I will just click to the turn it off. So you will see this is the setting is on of watch history. So now I will again to turn it off, I will just click the turn it off and click to pause button. Now setting is off. So it means the watch history is off. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.